Rough and Ready is a pre-engineered and pre-assembled wiring system with ready-made instruction for installations of virtually any size. Boxes of components that arrive on site will be marked regarding job site placement. Boxes should be distributed to correct locations at the job site according to accompanying Rough and Ready diagrams. Note that each box has piece numbers located on the outside that correspond to both the marked components inside and the installation diagram. Assemblies inside the box are arranged with the lowest tag number on top. The tag number corresponds to the installation diagram numbers. Primary components include the Rough and Ready kickstand and the Rough and Ready stud bracket. To install the Rough and Ready kickstand, several bends must be made before proper installation can take place. First, the standoff spacer must be bent back 90 degrees from the face of the kickstand assembly. Two choices are available to accommodate wall thicknesses of 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches. Bend at this cutout for 3.5 inches. Bend at this cutout for 2.5 inches. At the base of the kickstand, bend the base backward a full 90 degrees. As you make this bend, the locator tab will automatically fold out. The tab will stick out slightly beyond the drywall to make certain that the kickstand assembly can be located after drywall is applied. To install the kickstand, slide the kickstand under the bottom track and bend the back support down. To secure the kickstand to the bottom rail of the wall track, fold the two tabs down behind the front side of the wall track as shown. If you want to further secure the kickstand to the bottom track to assure that no lateral movement is possible, two screw holes are provided so that the kickstand can be fixed to the track. With the kickstand now in place, remove device assembly from the outlet box. With device assembly removed, install MC cable whip from the adjacent device in the line. Break out the necessary knockout and feed wire through the knockout hole. Snap the connector into the box. Next, adjust cable holders to the desired angle. To install AC/MC cable per National Electrical Code Section 300.4D. To attach AC/MC cable, push cable into support holder until cable snaps into place. Terminate circuit conductors from the cable to the device assembly with WAGOs. Visually verify that the conductors are fully inserted into the WAGOs by viewing wires through the clear insulating material. Reattach the device assembly to finalize assembly and installation. Installation of the Rough and Ready stud bracket is similar to the kickstand, but several differences should be noted. Bend the standoff portion of the stud bracket backward 90 degrees from the face of the stud bracket. Choose either 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch bends to accommodate the correct wall thickness. Mount the stud bracket to the wall stud and remove the device assembly. The box will remain attached to the stud bracket. Install the MC cable whip from the adjacent device assembly through the appropriate knockout. The assembly snaps in place. By hand, bend the cable support bracket 90 degrees to the face of the stud bracket and adjust the cable holders to the desired angle to install MC cable. Install AC/MC cable per National Electrical Code Section 300.4D. To attach AC/MC cable, push cable into support holder until cable snaps into place. Terminate circuit conductors from the cable to the device assembly with WAGOs. Visually verify that the conductors are fully inserted into the WAGOs by viewing wires through the clear insulating material. Continue the installation process until you reach the home run box. Terminate the final cable into the home run box and the circuit is complete. After drywall and painting are complete, remove the protection plate and install a cover plate. Retain the Rough and Ready drawing for your records and future troubleshooting. The Dinia Rough and Ready wiring system provides a quick, easy, and efficient method of circuit assembly that can substantially reduce costs, reduce error, and greatly increase on-site efficiency. Rough and Ready,